Hello everyone, this is Anup, and today we're going to start this new app where we are going to be detecting text on the image. So I have this image opened, and this is the sample app that we're going to be creating in this section. So basically, this is an image that contains some text, and if you notice, we have text with double space, and these are all the characters, and there are some extra spacing between characters, as you can see. So and it's like justified and everything. So let's take a look how the text detection with new vision framework reacts to this, and if it can find all the characters within this image. So I'm going to tap on the screen, and there you go. So if you notice, it did pretty good job finding most of the stuff. It missed this line, dash and comma in here, and it definitely missed question marks, dot at the bottom, but again, it's pretty accurate for basically image to understand. And there are a lot of factors actually it depends upon as well. So how big your image is, what kind of resolution it has, and this text detector technology also works with handwritings, and it supports various different languages as well. All right, so hope this demo makes you feel good and want to move forward into the creating this app. So let's get started. In the next video, we are going to be building it out from scratch. Thank you.